Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching another vlog in this video. I'm finally back with my curly hair routine that I've been promising you guys. I'm going to share with you guys all of the products that I use and what I do. So let's get right into this. But of course, don't forget to subscribe. So in the shower, I am washing my hair. First of all, I wash my hair once a week. So it's usually on a Saturday or on a Sunday, and trust me, it helps not washing your hair every single day, especially if you have curly hair. So the shampoo and conditioner that I love to use right now is Way, their curly hair line. I've been using it for a couple of months now. I think this is like my third bottle, and I really like the way that it feels. The shampoo lathers really well and just removes all of that excess gunk and buildup of product on my hair for the week, right? So I wash it usually twice with shampoo just to make sure I remove everything. And then I'm going to go in with their conditioner. This is a really nice thick conditioner that saturates my hair really nicely. Conditioner is like a must for my hair type. So I like to apply that all over my hair, making sure I'm getting the roots all the way to the tip of my hair, because I'm going to be detangling my hair while I have that conditioner to make sure everything is nice and soft, and just makes the detangling process a lot easier. You have to understand that I only wash my hair once a week, so those curls can get very tangled by the day it comes to untangle them. So I like to use a large wide tooth comb for this. It's going to prevent hair breakage and all of that good stuff, and just going to help with detangling a lot smoother, less painful. If you have curly hair, always start from the ends all the way to the roots. That's how you want to detangle your hair. And once I'm done that, I go ahead and rinse off all of that conditioner, because I am going to go in with a treatment. Since I only wash my hair once a week, I always use some sort of mask and treatment just to give it some more hydration, nourishment, whatever it is that I'm lacking right now. Definitely hydration. And there is my hair nice and smooth and soft after that detangling and conditioner. So this right here, this is a must, okay? If you're gonna get anything from this lineup of products that I'm showing you guys, this gorgeous L'Oreal Wonder Miracle water that has some sort of magic potion in there literally will transform your hair in one go. I use this once a week and I notice such a huge difference. This is the 5th time that I'm using it. I already have backups of this product because truly it feels incredible. So it feels like a water, then it starts to lather. I leave this in my hair for the remainder of the time that I'm in the shower. So I just put my hair in a little bun, leave it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I got to do in the shower. Of course, wash your skin, okay? Make sure you are using a washcloth. I know some people don't use a washcloth, don't really understand that concept, but hey, maybe explain it down below. Anyways, I use a washcloth and I go ahead and lather my body, wash everything off. I do my shaving just to let that product really seep into there. Once I'm done my shaving, obviously, you know, I pretend I'm Mariah Carey and I sing a little bit in the shower like everyone else. Am I the only one? No, I must not be the only one. And then of course, you gotta practice your dance moves. So once I'm done all the shenanigans, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off that product. Normally I leave it in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes minimum. It does say to leave it for about 5 minutes, but I find the longer you leave it in there, the better. So now we're done with the washing the hair, everything nice and bouncy and fresh and clean. So I part my hair in the middle, and that is when I'm going to start applying products into my hair. I try to keep it very minimal with my products and not use anything too heavy. So this is from Orbe and it's their curly cream, and oh my goodness, I love this product because it helps with curl definition, but it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. It just really hydrates, nourishes, and gives my curl more definition, and I just love this product. So I do both sides, and then I make sure to put a little bit extra on the tips and at the front of my hair where I find there's a little bit more of frizz and breakage. Then I have their curl jelly. I don't use this every single time, but if I want a little bit more definition, I will use this jelly. Now it will cause a little bit of shrinkage, but I just like that it gives my my hair a little bit of this shine, as well as further, you know, defines the curls, if you will, and really holds them up nicely throughout the week. Last but not least, I seal everything with some oil. This just helps all the products stay in place, seal it in, and I find that it just gives a little bit more glow to my hair, which I need, especially in the winter time. It looks very, very dry at times. So that is my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is it all dry. So obviously we got some shrinkage, but I love the definition. I love how still bouncy it is. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.